Randy Crawford, The Crusaders and Street Life. As ever, I'll be picking out some of the best bits of today's BBC Local Radio. There's been a lot of talk of Christmas, as you'd expect. We'll go to a snowman festival.
It rather beautifully draws in all these elements, as you say, expressionist films, silent movies. There are some fantastic chase scenes that really make use of that set, and cartoon elements.
I mean, I said it's darker in the book, but it's not that.
It's not scary. It's certainly not scary. I think what's interesting is that they've made very explicit the historical moment, the politics of late 20s Berlin, which is quite oblique in the book.
Yeah. Flood victim.
Is it just teaching, though? Doesn't it go wider than that? Is it the exam system? Is it the amount of money we spend on education?
I think it's also the